So guys, the Huawei Nova 4 is official now. The world's second smartphone with in-display camera technology is here, and it's both a beauty and a beast. Unfortunately, by here I mean China, as the Huawei Nova 4 saw daylight earlier today in the same huge market where Samsung's road-opening Galaxy A8s was unveiled last week. So coincidentally, the Nova 4 shares the same screen size with the Galaxy A8s in addition to an extremely similar hole punch camera, identically approaching the old bezel killing problem. Having said that, the 6.4-inch display of the Huawei Nova 4 sports a respectable Full HD Plus pixel count 2310 by 1080 with a small but noticeable chin at the bottom that yields a total height measurement of 157 mm. So as you can imagine, the dimensions of the Nova 4 and the Galaxy A8s are incredibly similar, but impressively enough, Huawei's new guy packs a significantly larger 3750 mAh of battery, while the Samsung Galaxy A8s packs 3400 mAh of battery. So let's talk about the game changer feature of the Huawei Nova 4. Yeah, the tiny hole drilled into the display of the Nova 4 houses an impressive sounding 25 megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture and a full slate of AI enhancement. So while the rear facing shooters are obviously even more remarkable, combining 48 megapixel, 16 megapixel and 2 megapixel lenses. Yeah, that's right. The main rear camera is 48 megapixel powerhouse with f1.8 aperture. Although if you can't afford that particular model, Huawei also has one with a triple lens arrangement composed with 20 megapixel, 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel sensors. Yeah, there are two models of the Nova 4, one with 48 megapixel of main sensor and one with 20 megapixel of main sensor. So let's talk about the price of the Huawei Nova 4. The model with 48 megapixel of camera will cost you around $490 and the model with 20 megapixel camera will cost you around $450. And today Huawei Nova 4 has appeared at Antutu as a model number of VCE AL00 with detailed specs and scored 2,15,981 points. Similarly at Geekbench, it scored 1997 points in the single core test, while multiple core test allowed it to make 6605 PTS with its Kirin 970 processor. And just look at that, this guy has 8 gigs of massive RAM and 128 GB of ROM, and this is very impressive. It will come with Android 9 out of the box and Kirin 970 processor, which is obvious. And yeah, the second phone with punch hole camera is official now. And guys, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.